Here's how to invite or add family members in 1Password. Let's get to it. First, you need to log into your account on 1Password. Then on the left hand side, you'll see this people. You can click here. Then you can press on this invite people. And then you need to enter in your family member's email address. In my plan, I can add 4 more family members to my account at no additional cost. If you want to add more family members, you just need to type in all the email addresses here in this field. Just press on enter and type in the other email address as well. Then on the bottom, you've got this select invitation type. Press here and make this email that you've entered in a family member or a guest. Then you can press on invite. Now on the left hand side, if you go over to invitations, you're going to find this on the right, one pending invitation. You can press on resend if they did not get that email from you. Now let's say your family member opened up their email and they're not finding that invitation in inbox. What they should do is go over to spam on the left hand side. Usually these type of emails go over to spam. So you're going to see this, invited you to join their family on 1Password. Great. Now I can press on this join now button in order to join. So I'm going to right click, copy link, open up an incognito tab, paste that link on top in URL. Now this is going to say here, you have accepted an invitation from this email. Now I can add extension or add it later. Now your family member needs to create their account. It's a very simple process. Press on next. They can type in their password and they need to confirm that password. Once both of these are set, press on next again. You will get an email, welcome to 1Password, and they need to set their secret key as well. So they can press on this generate secret key button and save the PDF, then save the PDF to their computer. Now press on next, and there you go. Now your family member is going to see this dashboard on their Chrome web browser. They will see this private and shared vaults. Now let's say in my account, I'm going to refresh it. One waiting to be confirmed. We're going to press on confirm here. There you go. Now we go over to people on the left hand side and we will see both of our emails accounts are active. Now I go back to my family member account and we can see this all vaults, shared and private. All right. Now I go back to my account and then on home, I've got these vaults. So I'm going to share this one vault with family members. So in order to do that, I'm going to press on this cog icon. Then on the right hand side, you can share the vault. Press on this button. Now you need to type in the email or the person's name, your family member's name. There you go. Now I can press on this link and on the right, you can press on these 3 dots and you can give them permissions so they can manage it, edit it, or view it from here. You can press on this manage as well and press on share on the bottom. Now my family member will have full access to this vault as well. Now let's go over to that family member's account and there you go. They can also see this vault because it's shared and I can go inside it and I can see the passwords here that are shared with me. If you want to remove the access of your family member from this vault, you just need to click on these 3 dots on the right hand side and remove from vault. Now if I go back here, there you go. It's no longer accessible from the family member account. And that's it. That's how to invite or add family members in 1Password. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more 1Password related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.